There's a website that allows you to register a United States-based business and run it from anywhere in the world. Seriously. Hi, I'm Mr. Nuts, and this is Cocoverse. It's that one place in the metaverse where peanuts don't exist. So, you can never work for peanuts over here. This is the fourth part of my series Business 101. I'm showing you how to run businesses correctly and efficiently, so that you can make as much profit as possible. Many freelancers, digital nomads, and solopreneurs ignore the importance of their business setup, and thus, lose a lot of money. As I told you last time, a single-member LLC is probably the best choice for people who like to travel while working. And you should do it in the state of Delaware, United States. As you already know the benefits, let's look at the exact steps you need to take to get your business started in Delaware. First, you have to register your company. This can be done easily through this website, firstbase.io. It's a company that acts as your registered agent, and it gives you a registered business address and a mailbox service. You are required to have an agent and a mailbox by law. Currently, they offer the complete setup for a one-time fee of $399, which is absolutely peanuts compared to what you get. First, they register your company. To get that done, all you need is to sign up, describe your intended business, and make the payment. They handle everything. A couple of days later, they send you a scanned copy of the certificate of formation document. It comes with a file number that you need for tax purposes later. The registration fee is covered in the price you already paid First Base. You also get the operating agreement automatically. No worries there. It's just a standard template with the name of your business on it. If you thought you'd need to put a lot of effort into registering your company, no worries there either. Form SS4 required to get your EIN is filed on your behalf by First Base. Form 8821 is filed for you as well. You do not do any paperwork. That's the beauty of this service. It doesn't end there. Then, you just wait a week or two, and your EIN letter is sent to you. Now, with your EIN, you can open a US bank account for your business. Guess what? That too is done for you. The only thing is that opening a bank account can take 2 to 6 weeks, but during that time, you don't need to do anything at all. When you get your bank account, put a couple of $100s there to get started. Then, go to delaware.gov to see if you need a business license. This is not done by First Base, remember that. Finally, you must submit the FinCEN BOI within 90 days to report the beneficial owner of your company. To do this, go to fincen.gov/BOI where you can find instructions for submitting it. You get this kind of receipt for submitting the report. You now have a single-member LLC in Delaware, perfectly in order for what comes to paperwork. And you didn't need to do much at all. It took about a month of calendar time, that's all. It's so easy that literally anyone can do it. By the way, this is my sister. A sister is both your mirror and your opposite. In my case, though, she looks exactly like me. Moving on. The last thing is to find someone to do your books in case you don't want to do them yourself, and someone qualified to file your taxes. Remember, as a foreigner and a non-resident, you don't need to pay income tax in the United States with this kind of single-member LLC setup. But you still need to file it. You must file Form 5472 and a pro forma Form 1120 before April 15th each year. I recommend you hire a pro to do it for you. It can be a small agency, for instance, that is easy to find if you search a little. You can even find those on freelance sites quite easily, and they can do your filing, and sometimes even submit the FinCEN BOI report for you too, for less than $100. But remember to get someone qualified. Failure to file these numbers, even if no tax is due, results in heavy fines, starting at $25,000 per missing form. Finally, the franchise tax. You can make the payment yourself at delaware.gov. Remember to do that in May every year, before June 1st. For your type of company, you do not need to file any annual report. The remaining fees include renewing your First Base subscription annually for the registered agent service and the mailing service. It's a couple of $100 each. The fees or deadlines may have changed if you're seeing this episode later. If you want to set up this kind of business for yourself now or a bit later, I have good news for you. Go to cocoverse.lol. where you'll find affiliate links that give you a nice discount on company registration. Just scroll down the page to the affiliate links section. Next time, I'll show you what options you have for getting your money out of your company. And no, a simple withdrawal isn't the only way. So, see you soon again in Cocoverse. Now, back to bed.